Both the supercars have fobs, but can your supercar do this? Thank you, GM.
No, but it can do this. Look at that though. The door goes up.
Ooh. Whoa. Ooh. You settle down, son. We haven't shown them. We did a badge delete and a blacked out roof line to make my Lavette look more like a LaFerrari. Check this thing out, you guys. Dave, I'll give you credit for this one. Dave was like, you gotta take the badges off to really confuse everybody what type of car it is.
Boom!
So no more badges here. And we took the Stingray and Corvette off the back.
No more Stingray.
And it would say Corvette.
No more Corvette. Look how clean that looks.
Looks really clean. We have all the decals and we're gonna put them on the McLaren.
Today's a big day for DDE. What are we doing today? We're buying a P1. No, we're not doing that already.
We're on a mission. Change some things up with the wrap. So we've got this wrap now, badge delete. We wrapped the 12C, and now we're going to unwrap Dave's SQUADRA Corse. And you're gonna choose Dave's next wrap. Dave's not choosing it. Well, he never does. I'm not even gonna choose it. You're gonna choose it.
I might not even wrap the car, Damon.
No, you don't get that choice.
I might sand the paint off and go all metal.
No, I don't care what he says. The only thing you need to do is you guys vote what color the SQUADRA goes by the end of this video.
Oh, what happened, Damon? Did your supercar stall?
No, it turns off. So if you open the engine,
please go. Can we please go?
It's a safety thing. This car's a little too quiet.
Hey, your car's so loud.
Yeah. It's a straight pipe, no cats.
We have Chris Poulet, at Chris Poulet on Instagram, you guys, in the G63. Looking sexy, as always. The G63 that is, not so much Chris. So loud with his car.
Can't he just shut it some valves? Like,
yeah. I'd like some valves for his mouth. He's got his helmet on. What? No, I'm safe, bro. I'm safe. Thanks.
Nothing like a good old-fashioned romp in the morning. Woo! Woohoo! What do you think of the G-Wagon?
handles amazingly.
What's up, Humble Doors?
Hey, Humble, my supercar.
I bet that thing doesn't shoot flames.
Oh, it
You put this car into manual and shut everything off. Boom. This car is actually a lot of fun. Got a nice little corner coming up here. So you have to really keep it in the same gear. Pop it into second. Give it a little bit of a... Oh yeah, baby. We're back. Mirror image. Spent a lot of time here. These guys have been super helpful. Now we gotta unwrap this thing.
Hey, come here for a second. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret of mine. You see, when there's hard work involved, something strenuous on the hands, I usually lie to Damon and say I've got a conference call or some sort of high-level important thing that I need to go do in my car, and I sit in my car and I usually play video games. My video game is Raid Shadow Legends, which also happens to be today's sponsor. Want to be the hero of your own fantasy? Collect, equip, train, and upgrade your team of heroes in order to start a journey of a lifetime. Raid Shadow Legends will take you to a world of dark fantasy and realism. Raid is free to play and is available for both mobile devices and PC. Challenge yourself to your edge in the ongoing tournaments. Compete against the entire Raid community while fighting the Spider's Den, Ice Golem's Peak, the Almighty Fire Knight, or the Notorious Dragon. And now in Raid patch 1.15 is coming in May, and with it, you will be able to compete in the brand new Arena Tournament, earn points according to your tier, and win awesome rewards in the local and global tournament. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to download Raid now and get exclusive rewards. What's crazy is the graphics on this game, like, literally looks better than reality. I wish my life was like this. I wish I could throw swords at people all day long. Can't do that anymore. If you're a brand new player to the game, Raid's gonna hook you up 200,000 silver coins plus an epic champion, the Tree Feller, which normally you have to play for a long time to get that one. All this treasure will be waiting for you here. Rewards will be available for all new players and only for the next 30 days. So what are you waiting for, you guys? Click the link in the description, download Raid Shadow Legends right now.
All right, here it is. Time to take this off. It's the last time you're gonna see it like this. You're unwrapping it. It's your car.
The entire thing.
This ain't my problem. Look at these hands. No calluses. I'm gonna keep it that way. I'm not a man of labor duties.
You're not a man at all.
Whoa, jeez, them fighting words.
Reality is factory Italian flag decal goes from here all the way up. So when we're unwrapping this side, be very careful.
No, we don't want that on. We're gonna do the flag delete.
No, we're not.
Devalue the car.
So Andy was saying the best way to do this is in the sun, no heat guns, just in the sun, pull it off.
Where do you want to start?
Oh yeah, he wasn't kidding.
I wonder if people know that the SQUADRA CORSE, when delivered to North America, only came in one color. So fun fact, these cars were only yellow. You couldn't spec them any other color. If you wanted a red, a white, or a silver, you would have to go to a different country in the world.
So yeah,
do you know what color each country got? Quiz, comment below.
How many yellow SQUADRA CORSEs were made in the world?
50.
No. Yellow.
30.
Nope.
25.
Nope.
16, your favorite number.
There's 3 in Canada and 15 in the US. So there's 18 yellow SQUADRA CORSEs
See that?
in existence.
Grade 8 math. That's how quick I am. I'm quick. Progress is coming. Look how beautiful the paint though on this car is. It is gorgeous. We have a decent amount off. Peeling this stuff is brutal on the fingers. So you gotta peel all this up like this. Whole car. It's even tougher where it's layered like this because these are multiple layers. Oh, we gotta be careful. That's the stripe. Oh,
Factory Italian flag decal goes from here all the way up. So when we're unwrapping this side, be very careful.
No, we don't want that on. We're gonna do the flag delete. Oh. Uh-oh.
Devalue the car.
Oh, did take a piece. Taking a little piece of the paint or the, oh.
How you making out over here?
Bad news. You know that stripe you didn't want us to peel off?
You peeled the stripe off, good one.
No, I like how legit, Chris. It legit pulled some of it off. For real, it did. Come look.
I don't believe it.
Yeah, I'm not joking.
But it legitimately pulled a little chunk of the silver off. Look. That's a little piece of the silver off the bottom of the thing.
Seriously. Ta-da!
Look at all the work I've done.
You didn't do any of that. I just found out to prove that you were on your phone the whole time.
What do you think?
Texting Pizza Hut.
You're not really gonna take it to the store like this, are you?
Yes, I am.
And no. He's gonna drive to the store like You look ridiculous.
I did it myself, you guys. DIY wrap.
You need to like clean all this and take it with you. All I can see is the wrap flapping in the wind on the side of that car. The car looks absolutely trashed, doesn't it? Trashed. What? Look at the wrap flying in the wind. Look at this.
Took off. What do you think? Look good?
Really good.
Thanks, bro.
They're literally cops are gonna get called on them for this one. There were 3 people in the store and they were all asking what happened to Dave's car. We told them it's because of the heat wave and it's melting off the car. Look at it flapping in the wind. Okay guys, so after going to the store and seeing everybody's reactions to Dave's car without even planning that, we thought it would be really funny to add to this video, essentially taking a trashed Lamborghini, parking it somewhere downtown Kelowna and getting trashed or destroyed Lamborghini reactions, because people seem to be just absolutely freaking out when they see this car. We're gonna trash the back quarter panel a little bit more so it really looks destroyed, and then we're gonna go park this downtown and get a few people's reactions before we finish off this side. That looks like it just folded right off the seam line and folded down.
Amazing.
Okay, let's go downtown for a reaction. Yeah, this thing's really looking trashed now. Look at everything flapping in the wind. It looks really destroyed now, bro.
What do you think?
I like it, you should keep it.
I will.
I like it. I like the color scheme. A little sketchy, I like it.
Wait, you don't like the wrap? Here at the beach in the wrecked up Lamborghini.
What did you do to the Lamborghini?
I got too close to the oven when I was doing a barbecue. What do you think?
It's interesting.
Is it?
Yeah.
What does it look like when you see it? Does it look like it got melted or something?
Yeah, it just looks torn up. Looks kind of cool though.
Melted off.
Oh, yeah?
No, I'm just joking. We're taking it off today.
Oh, yeah?
Looks pretty cool though, doesn't it? Have a good one.
What the hell happened to this Lamborghini?
We're unwrapping it, but it looks like it's melting.
I thought you totaled it.
Almost, not yet. That's Damon that totals the cars.
Probably, I wouldn't be surprised.
Damon's not a very nice person either. In fact, go unfollow Damon on Instagram right now.
I'll do it right now.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it. All right, dude. Do you do a favor? We're unwrapping the car right now. I need you to take a piece off for me.
Okay.
Just maybe, let's pull up plastic. Yeah, just the yellow one there. How's that feel? That's your souvenir. It's
Better. Oh,
actually just the
Take this
garbage,
home.
so thanks for taking care of it. See you later.
What happened to the wrap? Dude, you're the Lambo, hey?
A little bit.
A little bit.
My bad.
Oh well. Say. I just want to peel some of it, man.
What's up, guys? You want to peel some off?
Hey. Yeah, look at
Go
this.
for it.
The Lamborghini's peeling, man.
Get it done, guys.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm not paying you for this. This is on the house.
Only tips, right? Great. Holy crap. Mind if I keep this as a souvenir?
Yeah, it's yours.
Kidding.
Keep it. Well played. Well, SQUADRA, time to drop you off. We'll let the boys over at Mirror Image Customs here in Kelowna, British Columbia take care of the final unwrapping. I need a favor for you guys. I prefer this car unwrapped, to be honest. So in the comments, just say don't wrap it. And Damon's like, let's do it pink. Let's do a battleship gray camo, and let's make it translucent. Like, no, it's just the way it is. Although I will say the McLaren does look really good. Look at the McLaren. It does look sick in that battleship gray with the orange. Right? Oh, Damon, late as always. You know, if you had a real supercar, we would have been here by now.
Unlike you, I stopped and talked to our fans, and I turned around and went back and picked up one of the two huge chunks of wrap that you littered onto the road. And that's actually for real.
DD fam here in Kelowna.
Oh,
Check
yes.
out the merch.
DD represent.
There we go, man. How's it going?
It's going super well. The vet is awesome.
You loving the vet?
Oh yes, I love it.
I like the RSX myself. I had one of these, you know. I had a Type S RSX 2002.
Nice.
I did, and I had to sell it. Oh, we have the epic road trip home.
I really think it looks like a Ferrari. I mean, you got to agree with me. It's the prancing horse. Don't you think, Dave?
No, he doesn't agree with you.
I don't know, man.
Look at his head.
I mean, don't you agree it looks like a prancing horse? I wanted to ask the professionals. Don't you think? Don't you think so? Come on, man. This really looks like a prancing horse, doesn't it? It's not the typical domestic. I don't know, man. Looks like a LaFerrari from here.
Leave him alone.
All right.
He's busy working.
All right, maybe we can find some bowls on the way. Another sunset and another ferry, you guys. You guys sick of ferries yet? I am. I've lived on this island, Vancouver Island, my entire life. 41 years. Crazy, right? Been dealing with ferries and ferry food. But there is something magical about living on the island, and this is our gateway. The whistle of Dave's turbos on the McLaren. Sound pretty cool.
How's that water? Good? Refreshing? You enjoying that?
What's up?
No. So Damon, here's what I'm thinking. We either leave it yellow,
Okay,
or we wrap it a color,
that makes sense.
which would be,
Whatever you want. Oh my God.
we're locked in here right now.
Oh my God.
And I've had the worst dehydration this trip, and it's
Holy
gonna be like,
Nikes. Oh, it's making my eyes, making my eyes water. Ah,
okay, so what colors, Damon? Pull this down. What color?
whatever you want. Maybe
Okay.
wrap it brown. Okay, for real. You guys, pick a color. Don't pick a shade. We've already done light blue, and was that the first wrap on that car?
It was the first wrap on that car.
And the car's yellow, so yellow is boring. It's also the most common color that Lamborghini's ever done on their cars. It's like basically the equivalent to Ferrari's red. Every Lambo, for the most part, has been colored in yellow. So
I think that's cool. Anyways, you guys, I want to hear from you. Our opinion means nothing.
means nothing.
If you like it yellow, like I do, please let me know in the comments. If you
Smash
wanna
the subscribe button.
change the color.
57% of you that watch the videos do not subscribe. Subscribe, it's free, and turn on the
It doesn't even
notifications.
smell in here.
It stinks.
That was CGI. Jamie added that.
It
Not disgusting.
absolutely is making my eyes water. I'm about to roll the windows down.
Peace, you guys. See you in the next video.
Oh my God.
Vlog's ending. Can't stop it. It's ending. It's ending. It's ending. It's gone.
I'm multitasking and these guys are only doing one job.
When you talk to
I'm trying to look good right now to the internet.
Hear yourself, or is it all just egotistical proverbs in your head?
Well, you told me that my character on this show was to be the egotistical Lamborghini owner, but it turns out it's more you with the shirt
That's when you're not at.
and all this.
The owner of Lamborghini.
How long have you been friends with him?
13 years.
Has he always been this egotistical?
Every year, yeah. All 13 years.